Imagine you are searching for articles on a topic and investigating aquatic biodiversity protection in rivers. Simply enter your keywords, one concept at a time, into the search boxes. You will notice as you type in your keywords, this particular database suggests other alternative words which could prove useful. This is a really helpful feature, as when you search databases, the quality and number of results you get will depend on the keywords you choose to best describe the topic you are looking for. When searching for articles on a topic, researchers may use different keywords that mean the same thing or similar. For example, the keywords lakes or ponds or streams could be used instead of or as well as rivers. So, if you can think of and identify alternative keywords, you can capture these papers too. Simply place your similar alternative keywords in the same search box, separated by the word OR, like this. Click on the search button to see your results. You should now have a fairly comprehensive set of quality and relevant results. Databases are used by academics and researchers to find trustworthy, relevant information, because they either contain only scholarly literature or allow you to limit your search to scholarly peer-reviewed literature. Peer-reviewed is a term used to describe an article that has gone through the peer review process, which is an assessment of the quality or accuracy of the article by other independent scholars before it is published. This is an indicator of an academic journal. The articles are written by scholars whose names are included along with the sources used. Click on the Peer Reviewed button to limit your results to peer-reviewed papers. Use the filter buttons as appropriate. For example, if you have too many results or wish to look at only recent publications, then you could limit your search to view only papers published in the last year, or 5 or 10 years. For more options, click on the All Filters button. Again, select as appropriate. For example, I could elect to view only papers published within a specific date range. Importantly, notice the Access options or full text links at the bottom of each record. Use these to check if the full paper is available. Also notice that some records have a Generative AI Insights button, which provides an AI-generated 3 to 5 point summary of the article. Many researchers instead prefer to read the abstract of the paper. To view this, simply click on the Show More link. The abstract is a concise summary. It provides a brief overview of the paper's content, including its purpose, methodology, findings, and conclusions. If I scroll back up toward the top of the page, click on the Show button to select the number of records to view on a page. Most databases give you the option to either save, share, or export your results to reference management software, for example, EndNote. To the right-hand side of each article title, you will notice a Save icon and a Tools icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. The tools include options to cite, share, or download the article details. Alternatively, select All records on a page, or select records individually by clicking the appropriate checkbox to the left of each article title. Once selected, use the Actions menu, which now appears above the first record. It appears as a list of icons which allow you to download, share, save, cite, or add the records to a project. Please note, if you wish to export records to a reference management software, you will first need to save the records to a folder. To do this, select the records, then simply click on the Save icon. To view the records in the folder, select the Saved folder located in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From within this folder, select the records you wish to export. Then click on the Export icon which now appears. Choose your preferred citation tool from the pop-up window. Finally, click on the My EBSCO link to create or sign into your personal account to save articles beyond the current session. In summary, databases are a powerful search tool because when you use one to, for example, find journal articles on a research topic, you will actually be searching across hundreds or thousands of journals indexed and included in that database. Remember, look at the results of your search. This will help you to identify alternative keywords, also to compare and contrast the existing work on a topic. So in using a database for your research, you will be learning about terminology and different concepts, research designs and methods, and will be able to track larger trends.